My name's Giles. I'm with KM Specialty Pumps and Systems. We've been in business for 37 years. I've been an account manager for them for the past 4.5. We've been a Whitmore distributor for over 30 of those 37 years. We do everything from small pump repair to new installs and designs on the pump side to lubrication systems, and we couple with Whitmore and customers like this to get the right lubrication product in the right place with the right system applying it to save the customer money. This particular plant, with doing all of those things, getting the right Whitmore product, we reduced the lubrication amount that was needed by 40%, and in turn that saved the customer a significant amount of money.